excellent smoothie. It's going to be something totally different from every other recipes we shall normally make. So yeah, tune in and let's make this together. I'm going to show you exactly how to make it. So basically, I got some watermelon, some cantaloupe, some not strawberry. This is some grapes, red grapes, and mango. But look at this. All right, we get our blender. Now, once you get the blender, all you're going to do is grab those fruits and put it into the blender like this. All right. We're going to put the grapes also inside of it, and also we're going to put the mango inside of it. We're gonna add a little bit of extra ingredients to it, some raspberry, blackberry, and some grapes, just to give it that beautiful color, what I've been looking for. All right. Then what we're gonna do next, I'm going to add some oat milk to it. So it's gonna give it that an amazing flavor and texture to it. So I know you guys will definitely love this one. All right, and then we're gonna add some finishing product to it. So if we get at least for about 3 dates, I'm gonna put up 3 dates inside of it. So the dates definitely gonna bring you that lovely flavor and taste and texture to it. So we're just gonna simply cover it up like this. All right, and that's it, way it look. All right. Now, if you like the ingredients, you know what I said. You can also do is simple. Leave your comments, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. In the meantime, you can also get yourself a copy of the book. I'm going to make some noise and blend it up. That's so you guys can see how it look. All right. Yeah. So. So that one didn't, to be honest with you, it didn't seal properly. So I'm going to refix it and get it much better. All right, let's make some noise now. Excellent. Let's put this aside and take a good look. All right. So that's the way it looks. It's a little bit cold, to be honest with you, but trust me, the flavor and the texture is amazing. Look at that. Really lovely and delicious. All right. So that's what I'm talking about. So you can do this at home and make a beautiful smoothie. And you can't go wrong with smoothie. Smoothie is just one of those kind of recipe which works really well at home. Anyway, you know exactly what to do, guys. Okay, thank you so much.